Hello guys, welcome to my channel. It's me again, Sugar Kawesato. Now I'm here to give you another recipe. Our recipe for today is how to make meatballs, teriyaki meatballs. So, but before anything else, before we get started, if you are new to my channel, don't forget to click the icon button so you will be updated to my new video. So guys, here's the ingredients to make meatballs, okay? But I already made mine, so the ingredients I put here is this is a 400 grams of pork ground meat, and this one is goma adra. I put sesame oil and salt, pepper, flour, and egg. I forgot the egg. I don't have egg because I already put the egg, mirin, and sato. Just put 2 scoop of this mirin and this soy sauce, and then you will make like this. So just make this, mix it well, and let's do this. Let's make this meatball, what I'm saying. So let's get started, and later I'll show you again another recipe for the sauce. Okay, let's go. So guys, I'm back. So make sure your hands is clean. I already washed my hands, and as soon as I already mixed it well. So I already made a while ago this one. So you just make a ball, just like this. Make sure that your hands is clean. Okay, it's like a hamburger, but it's not a hamburger, but that. Okay, just you will make like this. Okay, can't you see? Like that. Yeah, just like this. Just continue doing like that until you finish, because I already did mine. I already prepared because this one is a lot of work to do. So make sure that you will be make it in a circle and your hands is clean. Okay, just continue doing that. Okay, let's make a circle. Oh my God, sorry. Okay, this is circle. Let's go to the hamburger, but continue doing like that. Okay. Okay. Just continue doing like that, and we'll be back. So guys, I'm back. So I already made mine. Actually, I already prepared the others. I have lots of balls already here. So we're gonna cook this one. So all we need to do is we're gonna fry this one. Okay. Olive oil. I'm not using olive oil. I hope still can. This one still can. I think this one is not enough. I don't have oil. Oh my goodness. What shall I do? There's no oil. God. I am lazy to go out. So let's see. Let's see what will happen. Maybe later I'm gonna use olive oil. Let's try. Okay, I think it's hot already. I hope my oil will make it. Oh, the oil is not enough, guys. I'm gonna add olive oil maybe. Ooh. Oh my goodness. I hate that sound. can you buy oil for me? You know why it's hard? Because I already, after I make it ball, I put in the refrigerator, so it will not what's this? It will stay. Oh, my fire! Too high. Let's put in a medium heat. Okay. I hope my oil can make it. So this one is easy. Meatballs. It's my first time to cook this meatballs, and it's sad because there's no oil. I hope my meatball will cook. I'm gonna add more. You need to put lots of oil. But I don't have oil anymore. I'm gonna put olive oil, a little bit of olive oil. Because I don't have oil. Ow! My olive oil is expensive, man! I don't have salad oil, vegetable salad oil. I only have olive oil. I think maybe it's okay. Just continue doing that, okay? And let's wait until, what's the magic key? Let's wait until it become golden brown, okay? Because the golden brown is the key. Okay, guys? So let's wait. Okay, guys, not yet done. You need to wait for until it become color brown like this, okay? So we're back a few minutes. Yeah, it's almost golden brown, guys. It's almost golden brown. So just continue doing that. I'm gonna drink my ginger drinks. Hot ginger. So we'll be back again. Okay, guys, we think this one is okay. So we're going to transfer it in the clean. Okay. Let's set this aside. I think it's ready. This is already golden brown. I hope my oil is my oil, guys. So I think it's almost ready. Let's turn it and let's set this aside. Okay. So guys, and here for the sauce. Look at this one. And for the sauce, guys, all we need is we need half cup of water. Half cup of water. Okay. And then half of soy. Half of soy. Yeah. There you go. And then a little bit of what's this? Sugar. Sugar. Ginger. Okay. Ginger. Okay. Yes. Continue doing that. Okay. The water is not enough. There we go. And gone. And now, you can see it's already thick. And now, we're gonna put our meatballs. Yay! There you go. Let's see that, guys. The meatballs over there. You can see the meatballs now. Okay. Wow, it looks yummy. So there you go. As you can see, guys, I think it's almost cooked. You can see that pretty and beautiful. Wow. That's the meatballs I'm talking about. There you go. I think it's ready. I think my sauce is a little. So let's prepare and let's transfer. Let's set this aside. Okay. So guys, I think it's ready. And now we're gonna add some sesame. Let's add some sesame. There you go. See that, guys? And now it's ready to be served. Ready to serve. Let's go! So guys, here's my teriyaki sweet and sour meatballs. So this one is so easy and yummy. I hope you will love my simple recipe. So if you love this, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe for more yummy, easy Japanese video. Bye! Thanks for watching! Itadakimasu! Yum yum!